Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I have a mini Dollar Tree haul to share with you. And I have some cosmetic items and I do have some other like toy items, but as far as these, you can tell that there is something in common about these three items, and it's all of them have something to do with eyebrows. And to make the story short, what happened was I used to have beautiful, beautiful eyebrows, but with time, what I did was I was plucking them myself, and I think I overdid it. So now my eyebrows, I have to rely on pencils, and I've been thinking of tattooing them, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I would tattoo them. Sometimes I'm afraid of the job isn't done right. So I've been relying on pencils, and I found these three items that I'll show you now up close at the Dollar Tree. And I bought others at other places. So we're going to look at these, and then I have the toys here. So let me put on my glasses so that I can show you the eyebrow items here. So I have eyebrow stencils. Look at these eyebrow stencils. So this should be good for the shape of your eyebrow. Tell me if you've ever tried this before, but this was from the Dollar Tree. It says sassy plus chick. I hope this works for me, because like I said, I overdid it and I messed up my eyebrows. So now I've been hunting for good eyebrow pencils. So this is the stencil, and then these are the other two eyebrow pencils. This one is a pencil. It says Define and Fills. And this one is by LA Colors. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Because right now, upstairs, I have one that is too smudgy. So I want something that doesn't smudge. And that lasts also. So let's see if this owns up to what it says here on the package. And then I have this other one. This one, Brow Brush and Comb. This one has the little brush. You can see it right there. And it's by Color Mates. So let's see how that turns out. Because again, like I said, I'm not sure about tattooing my eyebrows. I'm always afraid something might come out wrong. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how these work out. And then moving on to other things. So I have this cotton here. This is from the Dollar Tree, all of it. This brings 100 cotton balls. And then I bought this Mod Podge. I've never tried Mod Podge before, but I see that people use it in their crafts. So I'm going to try it too. Then I have these two little gnome Easter plush animals. This is a little rabbit there and the gnome. So cute. The gnome is kind of cute. You can't even see his eyes. Now this I bought for my little granddaughter. So around Easter time, I'll get some candy and stuff like that, and I'll send it to her with these. These represent her grandparents, which is me here as the rabbit and my hubby, which would be the gnome. So those are very, very cute. And then I found these beautiful quality looking little dolls, and I bought 4 for myself and 4 for my granddaughter. So there are 4 different kinds, and they're by Forever Friends. Look at how pretty that is. And and they're heavy too. Each one has a name, different name. Alanis, Iha, Karina, and Vera. This one for some reason reminds me of, I don't know, like watermelon. I don't know why, but she has green on, green dress, pink hair. And look at this one, how cute, with the glasses. It even has a story there. why don't we read it? This one says, Karina has a passion for space. She loves stargazing and studying astrology. When she grows up, she dreams of becoming an astronaut and exploring the galaxy. So each one of them has a story. These are so cute. So at some point, I'll give them to my granddaughter, but not yet. Probably when I see her. So I got 4 for me. And then this little one here, which I have the others. I have like the baseball one, the basketball. And this one here, she has a soccer ball underneath her foot. So I have the other ones, and I saw this one, so I grabbed it. So these are the beautiful dolls that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they seem pretty good in quality. Alright, so let's hope that these eyebrow pencils and the stencil, I hope it all works. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.